Today's product review is going to be on this YAMATIC 5/8 inch by 75 feet heavy duty flexible garden hose. When I did the review on their 360 degree tripod sprinkler, they noticed that the commercial grade hose I was using was really stiff, so they sent me this to try out. We're gonna hook it up and see how it is. Remember, there's always 2 points on hoses that are weak. One is just the hose itself springing a leak somewhere along those lines just over the course of time. You have the ends as well, which are weak points. So on this, they have these little rubber ends here that you can adjust and take off if you need to. You have to be careful because this is a flexible hose. It is really lightweight, which is a plus, but just be mindful that you probably want to keep this rubber piece on the end, otherwise you may stress this hose out, and if you kink it right here, you can see where it could easily cut. So longevity, I can't test today, but just keep in mind that you have to be careful on these ends because this is such a lightweight and flexible hose, which is a huge plus, especially for 75 feet, that you might want to just be careful when it comes to that. We're going to hook up the water to it. I'm going to spread it out and hook up something just to use it, like a pressure washer application or something like that. We'll see how it does.